The truth about passive income is that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a long-term wealth-building strategy that demands significant upfront investment of time, money, or skills. While the income generated can become passive over time, the initial creation and ongoing maintenance of the income-generating asset are crucial. Passive income streams can be broadly divided into two categories: financial investments and time and effort investments. Financial investments include dividend stocks, bonds, and funds, real estate or REITs, peer-to-peer lending, and high-yield savings accounts. These require capital but offer varying levels of risk and return. The second category, time and effort investments, is for those who can dedicate substantial work upfront to create an asset. This includes developing digital products like ebooks and online courses, building a blog or YouTube channel to monetize content, engaging in affiliate marketing by promoting products for commission, and utilizing print-on-demand services by creating designs for products. The key takeaway is that passive income requires substantial effort to establish, and often some level of ongoing management. It's a realistic approach to building wealth, not an effortless one.